Thank you. Drawing, painting, and interesting. You can paint one time. You can paint at the same time telling stories, or at the same time listening to music. At the same time, you can talk to others. Painting is very interesting, and it's not like other things or other courses or other subjects. Okay, like reading and writing and all this. You have to stay in a place that is quiet. Some they don't listen to music or use with the noise design. You see this one, all the designs that you think of are in this.